Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about cardigan long sweaters and cardigan sweaters. You can see different sizes and different varieties of cardigan top and long sweaters in this my video. Crochet and knitting cardigans are very popular and they are very comfortable in winter season. Please see my video at the end because in this my video I will show you the classic and unique designs of crochet and knitting cardigans. The open cardigan come in a variety of styles, but one thing that have all in common: no button or hook, with different sorts of hemlines and neckline. Open crochet and knitting cardigans can come into the form of draped cardigans, where the neckline and the hemline wrap around your body with an open front. Crochet and knitting cardigans is sweater that open in front. Your favorite cardigans might have pearl buttons and pockets, unlike a sweater that you pull and over your head. A cardigan is tucked on over the shoulders and buttons. Zippers snap up to the front or is worn open with no fastening at all. Just like a suit, crochet and knitting cardigan look infinity colored when you leave a button undo at the bottom. If you are feeling bold, leave a couple undo. Whatever you do, avoid button only the middle button. It is the quickest way to add necessary brown or to your friends. And you can wear a crochet and knitting cardigan with a dress. A dress cardigan is the one that you wear over a dress. It hits at the perfect spots at your waist. It's not too long and not too short, therefore it creates the perfect balance when you are wearing a dress or a skirt and need or want to be covered up. I hope you like all these crochet and knitting cardigans in this my video. You can also make it in your own home and also buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties are easily available in market. And if you want to make these crochet and knitting cardigans, sweater wraps, crochet and knitting cardigans and shirt cardigans in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Members be your prayers. Thanks for supporting us. And okay viewers,